Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Join me for this QiGong session to renew and restore your energy. Now let's get started. Find a comfortable place to stand, feet hip width. We will begin with cupping the left shoulder head for 36 times. This is where the long meridian in the body originates. Cupping this area helps clear the lungs. Now to the second side for 36 times. This boosts our immune system as the lungs govern the Wei Qi, our protective Qi. Lower the hands down and shrug your shoulders. Bring your thumbs and index finger together to form a heart shape. Lift them above your forehead and begin moving your arms in a big circle. Feel the gentle rotation through your hips and spine. This also mobilizes the shoulder joints. And now change direction. The long meridian ends at the tip of the thumb, and its channel pair, the large intestine, starts from the tip of the index finger. By connecting these two fingertips, we help balance the yin and yang in these meridians. Bring your hands to your forehead, then release your arms. Shrug the shoulders up and back. Bring your hands to your heart and take a few cycles of gentle breaths. Feel the physical connection to your heart, feeling joyful and content. Interlace your fingers. Inhale to lift the hands up. Exhale as you flip the palms to press the hands towards the sky. Gently turn your neck side to side. Take a deep inhale. Slow exhale as you release the arms. A few more times. This movement, called hands hold up the heavens, helps regulate the Sanjiao or triple warmer meridian, which control the temperature in our organs and systems. Last two. Last one. As you slowly exhale, release the fingers and extend the arms to a T for 5 cycles of breaths. Press into the palms with fingers pointing up to stimulate the pericardial meridian. Pericardium is the double-walled sac encloses the heart. It is the guardian to the heart. Feel free to lower your arms to an angle, but keep the wrists engaged. Lower your arms to your sides and come into the Taoist Wuji posture. Notice how your body feels. In Qigong, after active movement, we come to stillness to experience that sense of renewal and restoration. Soft breathing. Bring your hands to your lower back for hip rotation. Slowly and mindfully, send your hips out to the side, moving through a circular motion, mobilizing the hips, knee joints, and the ankles. Change direction, releasing stiffness in the lower back. 6 meridians pass through our legs and connect to the organs in the chest. This movement stimulates the middle section of these pathways. Come back to neutral and settle into stillness for 3 cycles of breath. And blink your eyes open. Inhale, lift your arms over your head. Exhale, swing your arms back while bend into the knees. Think to turn your knees out slightly for 9 repetitions. Grab the ground with your toes. We are flushing our lymphatic system. Back to neutral. Bring your hands to your back and use your fists to drum your lower back around the kidneys. It feels so good. Smooth that stuck chi that often causes lower back pain. Now cup your left arm. Cup the inside, then the outside, inside, outside. Switch sides. Cup the right arm, both the inside and the outside. Back to neutral. Bring your hands apart, as if you're holding a large energy ball for turning the moon. Lift the moon to the chest level and begin to turn it. Keep your palms facing each other at all times. Turn it any way you like, as long as the hands are facing each other. Relax the arms, relax the shoulders. Slow and mindful movement. Focus on the tingling sensations in your hands, that magnetic attraction between them. That is your energy. This movement gently stimulates the gallbladder meridian, which pairs with the liver. It's also great in relieving lower back pain. Bring your hands to the level of your lower dantian, feeling the energy between them. As you inhale, allow the energy to expand. As you exhale, feel it condense. Synchronize your breath with the movement. Elbows are guiding the movement. As you deepen your practice, you might start to feel that it is your energy guiding the movement. Focus on the sensations in your fingers. Slowly bring your hands to your abdomen, your lower dantian, stacking the palms over your energy center. For women, the left hand is the dominant hand. Place it on top of the right. For men, it is reverse. Softly gaze at the tip of your nose. With your mind, focus on your lower dantian, feeling centered and grounded. carrying this sense of renewal into the rest of your day. Friends, I hope you enjoyed our practice of renew and restore. Please let me know how it went for you. Leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care.